Design of DC machine. DC machine can work as DC generator as well as DC motor, but it converts some energy into another form of energy, then that is called DC machine working. So DC machine can work as generator if it converts mechanical energy to electrical energy, and the opposite, if it converts from electrical energy to mechanical energy, it works as DC motor. So it consists of, this is the yoke, okay? It consists of the yoke that suppose a cycle bearing. So the outer part, it protects the spokes of the cycle. So that is the outer metal bearing that is known as the yoke. So similarly in this DC machine also, this जो बाहर के part है, this is known as yoke. And these are the four pole shoes which are opposite to each other. These are grounded, this is ground mount. Pole shoes are four types, north pole are opposite to each other, to south pole are opposite to each other. This is the main commutator part in which the armature bearings are constructed, and these are the brushes. These are the brass part. And what is the brass part? This is a soft brass, soft metallic things which are connected in the armature for clearance of the magnetic flux will be generated. What is flux? Magnetic flux from it. What is flux? Magnetic flux. What is the magnetic property?
And the carrying magnetic field को conductor को place करता हो, so तब magnetic flux generate होता है और unit है चुप पर.
What is main magnetic property? What is magnetic property? When the gravitational property होगी, anything you will drop, it will directly reach the earth. है ना नहीं? Suppose one you will drop on plastic material, another one metallic means metal object. Which will reach the first? Metallic one, because the ground along with the gravitational force of attraction, there is metallic force of attraction. Another thing is there. So first metal property will drop first. Yes or no? Similarly, this is one DC machine and it is constructed of completely metal atom. So if that will be kept, suppose this mounting object kept to the ground or any other metal object, so it will inherit its metallic property from external also. And these metal things are पाखापाखि रखिबो one चुंबक property थाय ना नहीं, तो तार property किछि ये inherit करिबो आर property किछि ताको supply करिबो same जिंस. So ये जो commutator shaft जोडा, that bearing, that is of metal completely. So setting first our DC generator or motor, completely DC machine, एटा को हमें दीटा टाइप में क्लासिफाई करो. बेसिकली वन होची ओडा सेपरेटली एक्साइटेड वे और ओडा सेल्फ एक्साइटेड वे. सेपरेटली